こんにちは、KKTY のお供です。今日はですね、サバイバルゲームを見学に来たんですけども、突然参加することになりました。はい、こういうセットアップですね。いやー、こんなつもりじゃなかったんですよね。こんなね、なんかサバイバルゲームに急に参加するなんて。見てください、これちょっと戦争ですよ、こんなの。この中でやるんでしょうね。こんなの軍人です。これ始まる前のミーティングを受けてますが、はい、というわけで、参加することになりました。ルールはこの、赤いタグをつけてる人がですね、ゾンビと人間が戦うということらしいです。今日は友達を TJ クルして GoPro をつけてもらって、実際にプレイするところも撮っていきたいと思います。はい。よろしくお願いします。Okay. Let's go.
Let's do this. Alright, we're gonna follow these guys. They're marking. Don't know where they are.
Huh?
No idea where they are.
No idea?
I just got in.
Let's move up then.
Alright.
Where's the Ellis and Clayton? They go off?
I don't know where they went.
Hey, TJ.
What's up?
We're holding this hill right here.
Alright, so
I think we can push up that far.
Alright, we're gonna push up on this hill.
Back her up. See that bunker?
Yeah. Alright. So this is the guy flying from instructions.
I got movement on the left.
Left.
No shot.
Keep going. You can just
Far
like
left.
grab this guy. He moved.
RBK, which one?
You can't see him.
Okay.
Oh, there's Clayton right there.
You guys now move back.
You got any lives?
Advance.
Oh no, it's kind of a picture out there. Clayton just got hit pretty hard.
Oh, real?
Yeah. Clayton's right here in front of this thing. He just got shot. What? Hey, you see that tarp over there? Is that friendly? Yeah, it's friendly.
Yeah,
Hey, do you want to move up to here?
That entire line right here is friendly. Yeah, let's move up. Let's move up.
Alright, move.
Going. Dancing. so they're all gonna be directly ahead of us, pretty much. Yeah, probably.
Huh? Is that Joelle?
Okay.
Oh, I thought it was just some random. Is this good? Do you see anyone moving this way on the pond?
More guys over there.
Moving up. Yep. Oh, we got contact. Is that enemy yellow? No, that's zombie.
That's zombie.
Did we just overrun them already?
I don't know. Pretty quick. Is it those guys? Are those guys zombies? Nah. What up? Come. Contact left.
Contact!
Hit! $30. Directly in front of us, behind that thing. Okay, come on, let's go this way. Identified! Light or dark? Dark! They're this way. Here comes it.
Move up! Dude, this thing fires like 2 shots before it stops firing.
For real?
I was like, dude! Dude! And the mags don't see that well.
Yeah.
That looks like everybody.
Is everybody here?
We cleared it from both sides.
はい、いかがでしたでしょうか。今日はですね、VIXIA mini と GoPro Hero3の、動画の比較テストをしようと思ってですね、サバイバルゲームを見学に行ったつもりだったんですが、ひょんなことからサバイバルゲームに参加することになってしまいました。今日がね、もう鉄砲を持つのも初めてだし、サバイバルゲームに参加するっていうのももう全くの初めてだったので、とってもね、楽しかったです。これちょっとたくさん動画が撮れたので、何回かに分けてシリーズでちょっとお届けしていきたいかなと思いますので、次回もねよろしかったらご覧になってください。ではまた、さよなら。